Hello guys! Today we're playing Rivals. I'm sorry that we're not in the main menu because this dude wants to go against us. Right, Turkey?
Yes, sir, Rocky. You just trying to be cool.
Oh my gosh, this kid's so annoying.
You're right.
He keeps spamming.
Yeah, Rocky, you're right.
Yeah, y'all guys didn't miss anything. It was just boring. Wednesday. Oh no. Oh, that's a new method.
Harry knows this guy.
Yep, I know this dude.
Okay, you just...
Oh, the banana dude's up top of that yellow. Sneak attack him.
Yeah, that's why he's yellow.
Because he's a yellow banana? Oh, bro. But we can't let him win. Try hard now.
I mean, yeah, we don't have a win streak, so...
This is what it is like to get to be one. Oh, nah, bro. I'm not letting that slide.
Yeah, sniper.
Bro, I hate this bro. He's so annoying, man.
He's such a spammer.
Plus, he's such a meanie.
Yeah.
You don't have to be rude. It's just a game.
Yeah.
Plus, I won against him. He's just jealous. Because this is not our map, right? I spam. Banana head.
My good map is like...
Oh my gosh,
My
bro.
map is constructions or crossroads.
Dragon, I wish I could tell him he's the big airhead.
I can just tell people
That is not cool, man. You got it. Well, then that's when you're $35.
Yeah, really?
No, I'm gonna go against him. The dumb kid. Because... Come over here. Come over here, big kid.
Let's do another 51.
No, 1v1. No, I'm gonna... Hey, yo, bro, let me do it. I wanna headshot him. It's gonna be quick, alright? Or do you want me to go easy, just in case if he's a fan?
I don't think he's a fan. You?
Yeah, bro.
Let's do dogs.
Oh, I'm so close. Wait, are you going against him again?
No.
Alright.
Are you serious right now, bro?
I don't see him.
Bro, I'm actually playing with Buff Angelo.
Bro, this is why I don't like... Oh, he's right. Oh, bruh.
I'm gonna try not.
Alright, we did it.
Headshot. Oh! We both headshotted. Me and this random. Because we're both playing on split teams, guys, so. Hey, Rocky?
Yeah?
What do you want to do after this? Like,
I
on
don't know.
rivals? Like, 2v2v2s or like, what?
I don't know, bro. Or let's do a challenge of parkour.
Oh, no, I hate those.
No, let's do 1v1 against each other.
Oh, no.
Oh, only if you can.
Bro, this is so...
Bro, it's so not simple when there's a spammer.
I'm gonna try a no skill.
You know what? I had enough of this kid. He's gonna say sorry right now.
It's because I wasn't shooting, dummy.
I heard that, bro. Just spamming.
Oh, yeah? You don't want me to use sniper? Good.
You got
boy.
scammed.
Okay.
Spammed.
You know what you're gonna get? Are you gonna have fun forcing me to use flamethrower?
Alright, I know that.
You want me to use
That's my mom, you little do. Oh my gosh, not the spam.
Wait, what?
I see
Hacker.
him spamming.
Stop using aimbot, bro. Or I'll shoot.
Guys, if y'all want to see me play Steely Brainrot, in the morning, like at 5 a.m. or something, guys, hit that like button, bro. I want this video to go viral. And guys, if y'all make this go viral and y'all donate, I'll make plushies. Yep. Guys, y'all gotta tell me what plushies y'all want. And then I'll make like the snake, random pets.
Yeah.
Yep. we're gonna do like the Rocky Crew.com or something like that. But yeah, but one day, and guys, you should play my game. I'm gonna make a game. Whenever I hop on my computer, I'm just using my phone because right now I'm not with my mom. Ayo, chill. Ayo. Ayo. Ayo.
Wait, what's going on?
Her name is Sifi. Alright, guys, that was an awesome one. I feel like